guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's gonna be a little shop vlog for you. So I haven't been in this shop in a couple days because JC has been an asshole. So I haven't been winding my extra hands. I'm like, you know, sir, you can install that big bumper by yourself. But anyways, Cap is here today to do some mechanicking. So I'm like, you know, I will go hang out with Cap. Hello! Hello! What's up? Wait, what does your shirt say? Oh no, no. It's gonna be to the max. Oh yeah, I thought we were taking the suspension apart.
Well, we have to take,
the cab off first?
We gotta get the cab off and get it in the shop.
Oh, are you serious?
It's that tall.
Oh my God, what?
Yeah. I mean, as of right now, it barely fits.
Oh my God, you're
wheel.
right. What the hell?
Even with the stock wheels and tires, it's gonna be pretty close.
Wow.
So.
wait. It's freaking spinning. Come on, one tire fire. No, just kidding. Don't do that. Don't do all that. Is it stuck?
No, what I'm have to do is go out on the road, turn around, and come back through.
Okay. I can open the gate for you.
Yeah.
Did I break the gate? Maybe. Oh, okay, there we go. Awfully close. Sorry there. Would you daily drive this thing, Cap?
Would I?
Yeah.
God, no.
What is the issue?
These bigger steering knuckles.
Oh, hit the
It's hitting the
stock tire or the stock wheel. Oh shit! And problem solved. Hopefully.
Half an inch.
You know that'll work.
Yeah, we'll turn.
Well, we'll see if JC is gonna be mean to me today.
Probably. Why are the bolts in yet? You put off. Play on your phone.
Me? Just kidding. Gunner Ray. Veggie. Oh. What are we doing, JC?
We gotta put the steering box on.
Gunner can't help you with that? No? Gunner, why you no help? Vega Jean, I'm tired of you judging. Tired of your judging. There's spiders still living on these. I'm gonna have to come apart though.
Way too cold for spiders.
Oh. You said it's way too cold for spiders.
Allegedly.
Right.
Allegedly.
I love them, you laser.
It's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Draining all the fluids.
Ooh. She knows. She knows.
Get your ass in. Come on. I'm gonna go get her like a treat. Come on, let's go here. Come on, let's see. Come on, it's a Frito. Oh. Come on.
Oh,
Get over here.
Tina!
So, we normally use those. We've got to make our own sawhorse things because we've got axles on them inside the shop. So, this is fun. I'd say we have a little bit of a problem here. So you literally need a ladder to get in the bed on stock tires. What are you eating?
Tina, you're sitting on frozen ice.
Yeah, barely, but not with a big tire.
Yeah.
I thought you guys were gonna take the cap off outside.
How?
Huh?
How?
That's what I thought the whole thing was. I thought, why did you take the cap
Well,
off?
wrap it back up.
I don't understand. Because I've been talking shit to everybody on TikTok that's like, no, it'll fit. And I'm like, no, it won't. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that whole,
Ordeal.
the whole ordeal.
Oh. More squatting from the king?
Yeah.
Okay. So, cap.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
thought we were taking the cap off outside because it wouldn't fit.
No. We took the bed off because we have to lift the cab. Usually with the other trucks, we can
And we
lift the
could
cab.
lift the cab
and then
over
we
the
can,
bed.
Exactly.
So there was a
Because we only
misunderstanding for sure.
have a couple feet to go up, not enough for to go over the bed.
Gotcha. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah, sorry for everyone that I talk shit to on TikTok. That's my bad.
Okay.
Ready to go?
Like it is, but see, this plugs into this, and that was something I wasn't prepared for. Okay, nice.
So once you figure out what you're doing,
I got it. I got it on the next one for sure.
and we'll just set it back here for now until we open the door again. We'll put it in the bed of the truck.
Okay. If you hold that one end, I can get this end. Okay, thank you. Okay. Yeah, that was just way too heavy for me. It's just like
It's
awkward.
just awkward.
All the weight is on the one end.
Thanks.
We're a little capable queen.
You missed the gym yesterday. Now you're talking about it.
Yeah, we went to go to the gym yesterday and the roads were real bad.
Oh, really?
Couldn't make it. Well, we could have made it, but I was like, I didn't want to risk JC's life. Okay, why not?
So you unplug it from here.
Mm-hmm.
Take this.
I'll just pull it out.
See right there? It clips kind of on the inside. See, it just pops. You gotta be mad at it.
It feels like I'd break.
I promise. Come on.
Get it off. You do it. You can do
Want a thin
it.
pair of gloves so you don't hurt your fingernails?
You might have to do that.
What the fuck it is not good?
Yeah. Got our fancy little Tupperware bowls, okay? So there is no questioning with reassembly.
Nifty. That's pretty smart. Okay.
Sorry, Lucky. You need this one?
Yeah.
Your face.
Oh, yeah.
And then that way, when you start taking parts off that truck, whatever you do powdercoat, you can
Your phone says? Huh. That's what the gym office.
Oh, him slaps his mommy. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're chilling. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get out of there. Is he gonna help me?
No.
It looks like
He wants
he's
to get in
just,
your face like
yeah.
that does.
He's sniffing you very
Aggressive.
intensely. Yeah.
Okay.
Take that scooper off and then I'll let you get up through right there. That's how I get it real.
I don't know why I looked in Kiana's hands like she's the one that stole the impact. I'm like, what's that she got there?
She's looking at every possible spot except for where she left it. Sounds like you need some beer.
Sorry.
Yeah.
No.
The man over it.
Oh. Are you okay, Kat?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Are you crabby?
Oh, no.
Have you done drugs about it yet?
Oh, that's why.
What's wrong with you?
I'll get you a Tupperware. 80 years old to keep your shit smelling from far.
You have to be 80 years old?
That's the only cars I ever smelled that smell brand new that are older from old people.
I don't know.
Ain't
Fun
it?
fact. Camera? Oh my god, I'm so glad your camera was not still sitting there.
I was more concerned about you falling backwards.
Oh
And
no, I'm Gucci.
She throws her camera.
What you doing?
Labeling. Dollar General in business.
Dollar General in business. And Dollar General really does have everything though, so I mean.
I would refuse to live more than a mile from Dollar General. Like, refuse.